Alright, here it is. Sana masarap. It's my first time to make it. Naka-paper plate tayo kasi para walang hugasan. Alright. Tama ba? Wala na yatang laman. Shoot. Alright. Then halo natin. Halo natin yan. Naambi ko yung smoke. Parang hindi ko siya magugustuhan ah. Hindi na ako naglagay ng mga anek-anek kasi madaling araw na dito. It's 12 a.m. So kung medyo spicy. Pero mali yata, parang hindi to spicy. Parang nasa gilid lang lahat ah. Alright. Alright. Nirecommend sa akin to ng katrabaho ko na masarap daw to. Sana hindi siya nagsisinungaling. Alright. Alright, this is it. What's this? There's beans. Okay, tikman na natin.